Hello everybody, welcome to VINCAR's VROOM channel. He's Ben, I'm Dave, and today we take a look at one of Mercedes' latest model lineup, the utilitarian X-Class pickup truck. Let's go. While Mercedes has always had commercial vehicles in its lineup, like the Viano and Sprinter passenger vans, they have never had a pickup truck before. The X-Class can trace its roots back to a Japanese workhorse, but Mercedes-Benz has done enough to differentiate it from its more humble sibling. Viewed head first, the X250D we have here bears a familiar face in the shape of Mercedes' traditional front grille. The chrome surrounds around the front bumper is reminiscent of the GLC class, and this is flanked by a pair of fog lights. This particular unit has its style factor upped with 3 additional Brabus accessories like the front number plate add-on, additional lower daytime running lights, and these roof-mounted high-beam LEDs. And trust me, these lights will chase the darkness away. Just be careful not to use them when there are other drivers around. The engine powering this pickup is a 4-port turbo diesel pumping out 188 horsepower and more than sufficient torque to haul around its maximum cargo capacity of around 1 ton. Which brings us to the back of this pickup. The loading area is not the biggest in its class, but is made a little more useful with these adjustable mounts. Jumping inside, you're immediately greeted with a traditional, albeit outdated steering wheel. The entertainment system should also be familiar to any Mercedes-Benz owners, meaning ease of use through the touchpad or scroll wheel. Back seats are comfortable enough, but the X-Class lacks storage space when compared to its rivals. And there's some giveaways that tell us some corners were cut to keep the price competitive in its segment, and one of the most obvious is this. Looks familiar? The premium pickup segment is growing in popularity. This Brabus-inspired X250D truly stands out in the crowd and is an attractive addition to any company fleet. Find out more at our showroom at 24 Leng Road. Our relationship managers will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching VINCAR's VROOM channel, and we'll see you next time.